Hey there guys, I'm Stefano from the Skilled Trades College of Canada, here to tell you what you can expect to get in our 2020 toolkits. So in front of me is everything you can expect to get when you sign up for the Plumbing Pre-Apprenticeship Program. You're going to get a lovely Klein bag, a plethora of hand tools, as well as a Milwaukee drill. Let's take a closer look at them right now. Pow! You're over there now. Okay, so you can expect to get this very robust construction duty Klein bag. It's a backpack. It's got your little clips for your drills. It's got a little slot in the back for your water bottle. And if we open it up, look at all that space for activities, okay? You got all the slots you need. Put all your hand tools in there so that your job site ready when the job site's ready for you. Hello there. So these are the screwdrivers that you're going to get inside your plumber's toolkit. You have your green Robertson, red Robertson, your flat, your Phillips, and your 2 nut drivers. These are the common sizes you're going to see in that plumbing world that you're about to embark on. You're also going to receive your tool belt for belting your tools, a tape measure with both imperial and metric scaling on it, your level for keeping them pipes straight, a set of channel locks to make sure there's no nut you can't turn, and your 12-ounce hammer. So in the power tools department, you can look forward to receiving this M12 Milwaukee drill, as well as a set of bits. Why don't you come a little closer and find out more? A little too close. Back it up there. So here we have an 18-piece set of all the Milwaukee drill bits you could ever desire. Comes with your Robertson, Phillips, ooh, flat theirs too, and even your Torx bit headsets. There we go. It's a nice little Milwaukee carrying case. You can carry it. If I'm being honest with you though, you're probably not going to use this too much. You're going to be throwing it in your bag. When we open it up, we're going to have the pièce de résistance, our M12 drill. We're going to have 2 of these battery packs. Slide on in, good to go. And it's going to come with your charger. And all this will fit handily inside your Klein backpack. So this is everything you can expect to see in the 2020 Skilled Trades College of Canada Plumbing Toolkit. It's the best there is on the market. You're not going to find anything better at any other college or pre-apprenticeship program. If you guys want to hear more from us, please make sure to hit that subscribe button so you keep up with all the STC stuff. And I'm Stefano D from STC, and I'll catch you next time.